What's up, muscle car people? This is Brand Muscle Cars and I'm Matt. Today I'm going to bring you my most requested video. How to make magnetic socket holders for under 30 bucks. So people watched my top mods for the tool cart. I'll link that down below. Watch that after this video and I'll link it at the end of the video. And they asked me, how did I make my magnetic socket holders? I have some Oslo ones and I like them a lot. The only problem is they take up a lot of space. So in the tool cart, technically, I just didn't have the space. So I made my own out of the Harbor Freight item number 68102, and they seem to work great. I just made the metric ones. I'm gonna make an extra set of metric ones and I will give them to Quinn because he's gonna need them. So I'll show you guys how I made them. Very simple. The only thing I didn't get from Harbor Freight was the Gorilla Glue, but I think, you know, you go to Lowe's and you get it. So we'll go from there. And then the next part we used for the magnets, I bought these on sale for $2 a piece with the coupon. They're the US General 18-inch magnets. They're awesome, but I haven't seen them for $2 lately. They've always been $5. Maybe I'm just missing the coupon to make them $2 again. But if you look long enough, they'll come back for $2, and I stocked up on them when they did. So we're gonna use these and I'll show you how I took the magnets out. Move this out of the way. Over there. All right, let's put these open. Man, this is exciting. I know you guys are nervous. You're like sitting at the edge of your seats. We don't need that. All right, so what you'll notice is when you unwrap these, they have this paper plastic liner on it. And they are stuck in there. I mean, they're in there pretty good. Now, some of them are glued in really tough so they don't come out, and some of them are not. We'll find out if this one is in there. Let me get a piece of rope. Yeah, this one is not mine. So I'll show you how I got them out then. First one done. Took me about, I don't know, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Take the tape off. Open up a second one. Now that I have a couple done, let's see how many more magnets we're gonna need. So I'll show you a trick to make it easier to put the magnets and the glue on. Alright, so you watched me do it, you just use 4 sockets and it keeps it pretty level and straight. Okay, let's see how many magnets we're going to need. We have the 1/2-inch socket rail laid out. However, we've used 2 of the magnetic strips and we haven't finished that. So I think we're probably gonna need at least 2 more, probably 3 more. So let me get to opening these up and knocking them out. Okay, so you can see that we basically have it laid out. On the smaller one, the magnets do interfere with each other, so I'm not gonna line them all up. But I think we pretty much have it. This one, I'm gonna lay one diagonal. That way it holds both ends. So I'm gonna open up the glue and start putting them together. Alright guys, it's been a couple hours, come back, and they're all dry now. So I'll just show you this one, and you can see how it turned out. With the 3/8, the magnets actually pushed themselves away from each other, but the other two came out really good. So you can see this one. You can see that it's holding those sockets right in place. So this mod may not be for everybody. However, I use my socket holders in the cart. So I'm moving the cart all around. It's in the trailer most of the time, so it's getting bumped. I didn't want my sockets flying around, coming off and making a mess. So this mod really helped me out. So I did 3 of these for less than, pretty much right at $30. So it's not an awful expensive one, but it works out pretty good. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Maybe hit that like button, hit that subscribe. Actually, I'd like you guys to leave a comment down below what you think of the mod. Would you do it? Was it worth it? Is it easier just to buy a different type? Let me know what you think. And like Red Green, if they can't find you handsome, might as well find you handy. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.